In today's video, I make verdigris wax and apply it to all the things. I hope you enjoy. Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. To make it look metal, I always paint the underneaths first. That way when you flip them over, everything is covered and you won't miss anything. Stick around to the end to see how that little yellow trinket dish went a totally different way. In order to make this look like kind of an old antique bronze, I am going to mix, I want to add green to it. So I'm going to take some clear wax, Waverly clear wax, and then some of this is called Coastal Waters. It's a multi-surface paint, and I'm going to mix a little bit of this with some clear wax and dab it in any of the little places I think that might get that little bit of greenish patina. I'll later wipe it all off and then probably go back over it with antiquing wax. Let this sit, I don't know, a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes. I'm going to take a paper towel and just dab it off and leave it in its cracks. Try to make it natural. Well, as natural as a plastic bronze painted lovebirds can be. I think the layering of the colors really adds the, I don't know, the vintage feel to it. Gives it more texture, maybe. You can leave, you can add, you can take away. Just keep adding or taking away until you're just sick of adding and taking away. I made sure to put it all over just so that the overall finish would be the same, knowing I would take most of it off with the paper towel. But without it, the bronze color is just too bright. So much better. That looks really good. I'm very happy with that. Okay, I'm going to do a few more. between the antiquing wax, full strength, as you buy it in the store. I have had a jar with a little bit of the wax and water. I add a little bit every time I use it. I am going to use both of these and apply it to some of the things I've added the verdigris to. The one on the right was previously painted gold, and I applied antiquing wax, but I never got around to the one on the left. So in this video, I'm going to apply the green verdigris to the one on the left so that we can compare. Now to do this one that I added the green to, I'm just going to slightly add the watered down antiquing wax. Actually, I have 4 of these. I guess you like screw them into the wall and you put your curtains, tie back curtains, you know, they would go across there. I do think it would be cool to put some green in some of these crevices, and we'll wipe it back and then we'll apply the white wax and see how that all looks. I don't think I need to do it all over it. Not pushed in, I should say, you know. I don't know. I'll probably kind of go over it a little bit so that it has that, when it's done, it all kind of looks the same. Although I'm going to use white wax on it, I think it won't matter once I wipe this all back. No rhyme or reason. Even when I'm wiping it all back, I might even change my mind and add more in certain places. I don't know. I think it looks really cool on the other pieces. It really gave them a good highlight. That little bee liked it. For this project, I used the same color, but I didn't mix it with wax. I just dry brushed it on this piece, and it still gives a great effect. I don't have a spot for it yet, so I'm just holding it in the yard so you can see the finished product. When I painted this little yellow trinket box, and the lid was upside down, Unbeknownst to me, once it dried and I flipped it over, I had a really cool effect. It did not completely cover the little, oh, I guess, I don't know, the transfer on it. And I just thought it had the neatest look to it and thought I'd share it with you guys and let you know that happy accidents happen. Of these 8 projects, do you think I achieved the verdigris look? And if so, which one looked the best? Also, with that being said, which one was the worst? Do you guys even like this look, this patina, or is it just me? I'd also like to know that in the comments below. See you on the junk side.